And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create text art made from tiny elements using Canva. It's very easy, and so let's get started. First, just open Canva and then create or open any designs. And then just upload the image that you want to use as the tiny particles that will form your text. Make sure you remove the background so the element is clean and isolated. And then go to apps. And then just search for text art maker. Like this. This app, just tap on it. And then on here, just select your photo. Tap on your selected image like this. Like this, as you can see, it will form your text. And then just type your text, for example like this. You can adjust the particle size, maximum or minimum. And when you're done, just tap on add to designs. Okay, like this. Your custom text art made from small element is ready. Just save and okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.